Nestled in the heart of South Dakota's northern Black Hills, Miller Creek Meadows is a rare 91.5-acre retreat, a patchwork of rolling hay meadows, Ponderosa pine bridges, and exposed limestone outcroppings, each element adding to its striking visual and ecological diversity. Seasonal Miller Creek feeds lush grasses and wildflowers, enriching the land's visual appeal. Located just 10 minutes from downtown Spearfish, you'll enjoy quick access to shops, schools, and medical centers with a short drive to Spearfish Canyon and the Black Hills National Forest. Rapid City Regional Airport is just an hour away. For hunters and wildlife enthusiasts, this is a sanctuary. With diverse habitat and defined travel corridors, white-tailed and mule deer, wild turkey, and upland game birds thrive here. Several ridgelines offer ideal sites for a secluded home or hunting cabin, private, scenic, and ready to build. The land features a well house, livestock tank, and accessible power nearby. The property is currently hayed and grazed seasonally, providing practical agricultural use with minimal maintenance, making it a cost-effective and easy-to-manage investment. Whether you seek a hunting retreat, a homestead, or simply a place to breathe, Miller Creek Meadows is your gateway to the land, lifestyle, and legacy of the Black Hills. For a qualified showing, please contact Carrie Engelman or visit HaydenOutdoors.com.